we have learned how to do basic limits, learned how to take the limits of a polynomial function. Next, we move on to learn taking limits, evaluating limits of a rational function. First of all, what is a rational function? Rational function is a function that can be expressed as a polynomial over polynomial, okay? So I can call the top one p of x and call the bottom one q of x. It's just it's easy if they have names. So for example, if I have a function f of x defined as x squared plus x minus 6 over x minus 2, then I know that the top function p of x here is x squared plus x minus 6. This is a polynomial, and the function on the bottom is simply x minus 2, a polynomial as well. So we know this function f of x is a rational function. Okay, so suppose we want to take the limit of this rational function f of x, but at different points. So the first one, we want to have x approaches 3, and the other one, we want to have x approaches 2. So let's pay attention here. In this case, if I call the bottom function q of 3 is equal to 3 minus 2, which is non-zero. So I won't have 0 in the denominator, which is good. But here, if I try to do the same thing, evaluate the bottom function at whatever c I have here, I have 2 minus 2, and this time I get 0. I cannot have 0 in the denominator, okay? So that's whenever you see this, it's a neighborhood sign. It's like a warning sign. It's like fire alarm is setting off, okay? So it's like, gotta do something, all right? So that's the main two different cases you are gonna see. And case 1, when q at c is not equal to 0, then it's easy. You just simply evaluate the function at c. So I have 3 squared plus 3 minus 6 over 3 minus 2. Simplify it. I have 9 plus 3 minus 6 over 1. So that gives us 6. Okay, so if q of c is not equal to 0, you can do straightforward evaluation. If q at c is equal to 0, then that's not good. Do not do straightforward evaluation. You go to the next strategy. You will do factor. So what does that mean? It means I try to factor all the polynomials I see as much as possible. The one on the bottom has nothing to factor, so let's keep it there. The one on the top, I can factor this as x minus 2 times x plus 3. You can check. Just multiply this out and see if you do get x squared plus x minus 6. For those who don't know how to factor quadratic functions or polynomials in general, I linked a quick video on the course material. You can go there and see how just pick up very quickly how you can factor a quadratic polynomial like that. Okay, so now what you see that both the top and the bottom, they have the same factor, therefore we can cross it out. After you cross it out, you get that the limit you wanted to evaluate equals the limit of this new function we get, x plus 3. Okay, so now this is what? A polynomial And when I plug 2 into the polynomial, nothing weird happens. So let me just go ahead, plug it in, 2 plus 3. I get 5. Okay. When q of c is not equal to 0, go ahead, do evaluation. When q of c equals 0, you need to do factorization. And then move on from there like this. Okay.